Shaolin Kempo, two-hand choke from behind, defense. The attacker sneaks up from behind, attempting to choke you with two hands and pull you backwards to the ground. As soon as you feel the attacker's hands on your neck, shift your body weight forward. Raise both arms up. This will set you up for the continuation of the move, and also, if you are in public, make it seem as though you are being attacked and acting out of self-defense. Twist your body, turning around, while placing your leg behind the attacker's leg. Strike your attacker's face with your elbow as you are turning around. Then, use the same hand and strike your attacker's face with an open palm. Follow through with the strike, pushing your attacker's face to the ground. Stomp on the attacker's groin to neutralize him. Subscribe for updates on new videos by How to Krav Maga. Special thanks to Kempo Brown Belt and loyal subscriber, Eric.